Hey guys, how are you today? I hope you had a good weekend. The storm is getting really crazy by my house. I wonder how it is where you guys are. Um, just wanted to check in. So we went through the binary, we went through physiology for male-bodied and female-bodied people, and now we're going to kind of think about sexual arousal and response. And so Masters and Johnson have a lot of kind of research done on that. So hopefully you get to kind of peruse the module and look at everything, and then you can respond to the prompt. Yeah, have fun with it. If you've ever watched Masters of Sex, that's kind of the fictional show that's based off of these amazing researchers that kind of contributed a lot to the field of human sexuality. It's a drama, so if you watch it and you think it's fun and interesting, just know that some of it's made up. But it does kind of chronicle their lives and who they are as people. So it's interesting and it's fun to watch. So if you haven't seen it, Google Masters of Sex trailer and just kind of see what it is, and maybe enjoy watching it. I don't know. All right, so that's what we're doing this week. Happy posting, and I look forward to seeing you on the discussion forum. Take good care.